everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm video. This is a really good box. I am so excited about it. Really excited to unbox this for you today. This is going to be an unboxing of the Boxycharm October box. Before we get started, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have a link at the top of my description if you guys want to sign up for it. It does help me out if you guys click that link. So if you're interested, it's about $20 a month. You get about 5 full-size products every single month. Usually kind of like a mix of some high-end, and then there's usually like a few like newer brands that I kind of haven't heard of, but you do get a couple high-end brands as well, kind of like mixed in there. It's a great way to kind of try out some new brands and some new products that you might not have before. Usually you get like $100 to $200 worth of product in it, and it only costs you $20, so it is a really good deal. Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys what's in the October one. So like I said, if you guys are interested in signing up, I do have a link at the top of my description. The first thing that you'll see in here is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and this sells for $24. Looks really nice. So that's what the packaging and everything looks like. I think I've seen this before. But yeah, it's got like a really long applicator, I feel like. I like these kind of like mascara wands. I feel like these ones work really good. Just like the really like bristly kind of mascara ones. I don't like the really spiky ones. The spiky ones don't really work for me. I like the more bristly ones like this. They seem to just like really work to like volumize and lengthen my lashes. The spiky ones just make my lashes look watery. I don't know. This kind of mascara is the type of like wand and everything that I personally really like. I really like It Cosmetics. I have some other products from them and I really like their brand. That's like a brand that I personally like trust and use and love. So I really like them, and I really like this type of mascara. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna start using this and see how I like it. I'm really excited to try this out. Sells for $24, so you know, seems like a quality mascara. Next up is the Dermovia, if I'm saying that right, I'm not quite sure. And it's the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And it says the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. And this sells for $30, and this seems really cool. It almost feels, it feels like a pillow. It seems really cottony. I think I'm gonna try this tonight and film it for this video, and I'm gonna film this video, and then at the end of this video I'm gonna do kind of like not a try on because this isn't a haul, but I don't know. Stay till the end of the video, because at the end of the video I'm going to be trying out this mask. I'm really curious because it feels really cushiony, like a pillow, and then it's got like a tube in here or something, and I'm just very interested to see what this is like, because it's like bamboo and lace and charcoal and compression and all kinds of stuff it says. I'm just very interested to see what this even looks like. Stay till the end of this video, because at the end of the video I'm going to be trying out this mask. Next up is by the brand Pure, and it's the Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and read the description on this as well. It says this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look that you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier, with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. Looks like this is the packaging. So you can see here, there's the eyeshadows and there's the face. So I was confused because I was like, wait, I thought this was an eyeshadow palette, but it's eye and face, so it's a 2-for-1. I don't really have any palettes that are for both the eyes and the face, so that's pretty cool. I've gotten a couple palettes from them in Boxycharms, and I love all of them. So I can definitely say that Pure has really good face palettes. Well, I haven't really tried many of their eyeshadow palettes, but the other face palette that I got in a Boxycharm I loved. It looks like this, so it looks like you've got a highlight. I think this would be a bronzer, and then this color is pretty. It's just like a shimmery kind of like silver, and then the brown I would use. So I'd use some of these, not all of them, maybe like every day or anything. This would be a nice palette to have in your collection. Really pigmented. Very, very pigmented. Very pigmented, swatched beautifully. So yeah, that's how they look. I think these would be really easy to work with, blend with, apply to the eyes. Like I said, the other palettes I have from them I really like. So very high quality, really nice. yeah, so really like that. Okay, next up is Kat Von D, and it's the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it sells for $20. And I definitely think this is something that I have personally seen in Sephora. I think this is something I've seen people talk about on YouTube. So this liquid lipstick I think is actually quite popular. I feel like everybody's probably used this before. I've seen so many people talk about this liquid lipstick. So not this particular shade, but I remember the was it the Lolita shade that everyone was like talking about and it was like sold out? So her Everlasting Liquid Lipstick is definitely super popular. And this is in the shade Mother. It's just like a nice, like pretty kind of like pink color. I like this a lot. It's just like a, you know, it's not quite a nude. It's definitely like a berry kind of pink, but still really pretty. I'm kind of like scared of these shades now because when I first started getting into lipsticks, I always went for these like bright pinks. I just thought they were so cool and so different. So now I'm like scared because I feel like when I wear these colors, I look like my high school self with really bad eyebrows. So that's what I think of whenever I see these these shades. But I do still think this is a really, this color in particular, because I had a shade exactly like this. But I do really like this color. This is a really pretty color. Like I said, I used to be obsessed with it and wear it all the time. This is a really, really pretty shade. It's like a nice kind of like pink with a little bit of like a purpley tone. It's very creamy. The consistency is really nice. Like I said, they're very popular. I think if you wanted just like a nice pop of pink, this would be really nice. And last but not least, I feel like I just really went through this very fast, is by the brand Pharmacy Beauty, and it is this Green Clean. I don't know, it just says Green Clean, but it's this, it says, this cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And this sells for $22. So I feel like everything in this Boxycharm was very like high-end. We had some really good high-end brands like Kat Von D, It Cosmetics. I feel like pure good handful of high-end brands. That's what this looks like. It's just kind of like a minty balm. It smells like mint actually too. So I feel like it would feel really fresh on the skin, maybe a little tingly because it does have that mint. It just like melts. Okay, you know when you touch coconut oil, like the hair mask coconut oil stuff, it's literally just like coconut oil, like how when you touch it, it just melts. It's exactly the same consistency as that, which always has me like really shook because it's like a solid and then you touch it and it just melts. Science. But yeah, it's like crazy. Really love this Boxycharm for sure. It's a really good one. This might be one of my favorite ones because they were just like a good, I was really familiar with a lot of the brands in it, and I like how it had, you know, it had mascara and eyeshadow, it had, you know, highlighters, face palette, lipstick, had a good amount of everything. I really liked everything that this Boxycharm had in it. Really quickly, I'm gonna add this up. I think that this Boxycharm is $124 value. Again, I did it in my head, so I'm not quite sure if that was right. And like I said, Boxycharm sell for $20, so you know, $20, $124 value. That's awesome. Any one of these products would have paid for that because every single one of these are over $20. So I love Boxycharm. It's like a fun little gift that gets sent to me every single month, and I never know what's gonna be inside of it. Like, is it gonna be skincare? Is it gonna be lashes? Makeup brushes? Like every single month it's different. You get a little bit of, you get a little mix of everything. But I love it so much. It's so much fun. So definitely if you're interested, sign up and, you know, treat yourself. Like I said, I do have a link at the top of my description if you're interested in signing up. This one was really fun. So I will really quickly show you guys what I think of that mask. Okay, I'm gonna do a voiceover over this because I filmed this at like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I was kind of whispering, but I was kind of surprised when I saw it because it was like goop, and it almost looked like cheap face paint that you would get for Halloween, and so I was kind of like scared to put it on my face at first. But when you put the lace over the mask and then you ripped it off, it kind of hurt. But then I looked at it and I was like, it's like a pore strip. I feel like it got all the dirt and oil out of my skin, so I was very pleasantly surprised with it. Okay, so that's what I thought of the mask, and that's what I thought of the Boxycharm. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye.